Welcome to OLI Systems. This video is about how to use OLI's new customer service portal. Recently, OLI has introduced a new service portal, which is a vastly great improvement over our old portal. The easiest way to find it is to type in the full support email at https://support@olisystems.com. We'll have the full link in the video. Okay. And at this point, you get to our main page. You do not have to log in to create a case, but we're going to encourage you to do so. So we'll move on in just a second. We've expanded the window to show you the full support center. Okay, we have quite a bit of information here. You can check out our live training and on-demand training courses. You can also download the software. However, you will need to have a serial number to do so. That's beyond the scope of this tutorial. We do have some quick service items here. If you're having problems with installation and licensing, we have a great deal of information here. This is similar to what OLI has on its wiki page, but it's more directed here. We have also more information about individual products, as well as about thermodynamics and chemistry. And you can search those. We might find the answer to your question there. But you can always go ahead and type a natural language query here, or just go ahead and submit a request. And you can put in any email you want. Here, I will type in my own personal email from my Gmail account. And you can go ahead and give us a general idea of what the problem is, talk about what you have, a bug, and then go in and describe what's going on. In general, if an error message has been displayed, if you can take a screenshot of that, you can dump that right in. There are these little icons here where you can add various things, or you can actually attach it as a picture. We encourage you to do that. Then click the Submit button, and you will get an email telling you that the case has been submitted. You could also go ahead and create an account or sign in. If you don't have an account, register here, and we'll create one for you. Okay. That allows a little bit better access to your cases. You can go into the case and actually look at it and see the status of it. But you will always get an email update as the case changes in status, from new to acknowledged to in progress to solved, and so forth. So we encourage you to use this site to find your answers. I typed in a bug, and if you were, however, signed in, you would get natural language queries here telling you possible solutions. And you can go ahead and submit. And it brings you back to the main page. It tells you it was submitted. You're going to get an email that it was submitted. So that's basically how to use the site. It's very intuitive. And once you've gotten an email from us for the support case, you can reply to that email with updates. You don't have to come back to this page to do so. So I hope this was of some use to you. Of course, if you have a question, submit a request through the site. Thank you.